Just wanted to share this beautiful setup, and these are the type of setups that we should be waiting for, but sometimes our impatience gets ahead of us and we can't do it, so we just take trades we shouldn't be taking. I got into this small trade here. I'm going to go to the 15 minutes. So we have this zone that's been broken pretty harshly, and as price is coming back up into this zone, showing some rejection there. On the 15 minutes, I wait, drop down to the 1 minute, and I see all of this start to happen, where we have higher highs and higher lows as we move our way up in here. But then when we get to this zone, we start seeing a switch. This is the low that created this high, and then we get broken. We create a lower high, and it comes back and creates a lower low. That's the start of a downtrend, which, if this is a zone that's going to hold up, that should be how it's going to start. So price comes down, comes back to the same level again that I drew up here. I got in on the rejections here, as it didn't seem to be wanting to go higher. Put my stop loss above that area up there, and basically targeted the next level based upon, like the 1 hour. And so I was like, okay, if we can get somewhere over there, that'll be good to go. Now, this is where I knew what I was going for. The yellow line is where I decided to get out. It was a $22 win. It could have been a $42, almost $50 win if I would have held it to where I was planning on holding it. But that's what it was. It's a beautiful little area where price just does, and it does this all the time. It does this breaks and retests and failing to go higher, and if it's failing to go higher, you're more likely the price is going to go lower. And so that's basically all we're waiting on. We're just waiting on structure like this to form and play out, and we just find ourselves being impatient. I know I do that all the time, and I kick myself when things like this work out really, really nicely, and I could have done a better job of managing my trades. But I'm only human. You are too. Continue working at it, though. That's what this all is. This whole journey is a work in progress.